Which disease takes place in children with hyposecretion of thyroid? So here, let's talk about it, that when the thyroid is not functioning properly, either there is hyposecretion or there is hypersecretion. Let's break the term. Hypo means less secretion, hyper means excess secretion. So then if this is not, if this thyroid gland, let's talk about thyroid gland a little bit. So thyroid is an endocrine gland that secretes a hormone, that is thyroxine. Thyroxine helps to maintain the metabolism of carbohydrate, fats, and protein. So they help in the metabolic activities of our body. So they maintain the BMI, basal metabolic index of our body. Okay. This is when the thyroxine is secreted in the normal amount. But what if the thyroid gland is not functioning properly? It is either hyposecreting, that is, it is secreting thyroxine in less amount, or it is hypersecreting, that means it is secreting in the excess amount. Okay, so those all will lead to the diseases. Let's talk about hyposecretion. Hyposecretion in children. Let's talk about hyposecretion in children will lead to cretinism. Cretinism that would lead to dwarfness, and the child would be mentally retarded, and the child would be a little bit sluggish, you can say. Okay. But when there is hypersecretion, that would lead to goiter. You might have seen the swelling of the thyroid gland in the neck region. Okay, so that is actually exophthalmic goiter, which is also known as Graves' disease. Myxedema, also because of this uneven metabolism, myxedema is also caused by the hypersecretion of thyroid, but that's an adult. But here we are talking specifically about the children, that causes cretinism. Tetany, let's say it is also because of the imbalanced secretion of certain ions, that includes calcium. Okay, so it is caused because of that, but hyposecretion of thyroid in children causes cretinism. So the correct answer is B.